Hi, this is Polyband Teachers and I am Sagurika Banerjee. Once again, I am back with another video as I have promised in my last video. Today, I will be telling you about the theme of the story, On the Face of It, written by Suzanne Hill. And apart from the theme of the story, I will also discuss with you the competency-based questions which can be asked from this chapter. So let's start with the chapter. Now the theme of the story. The theme of the story, On the Face of It, revolves around the concept of human insecurities and the constraints society puts on them. इंसान जो है ना इतना ज़्यादा इनसिक्योरिटी में ड्वेल करता है और कंटिन्यूसली जो सोसाइटी उस पर प्रेशर डालती है, limitations रखती है. That is very well portrayed in this chapter. It also talks about the difference in people and their thought processes. उनके बारे में बताया गया कि अलग अलग टाइप के लोग होते हैं, मेंटालिटी अलग होती है, उनके थॉट प्रोसेसेस अलग होते हैं. दैट हैज़ बीन वेरी वेल सेड इन द चैप्टर. द डिफरेंस इन हाउ पीपल सी लाइफ एंड लिव इट. ये भी बताया गया कि एक ही चीज़ को अलग अलग नज़रिए से देखा जा सकता है और इस चैप्टर में बताया भी गया है थ्रू डिफरेंट कैरेक्टर्स, मिस्टर लैम्ब एंड डेरी. एंड it sends out a message that it is absolutely okay to have flaws and still live life with dignity, respect and love. और एक मैसेज हम सारे लोगों को ये चैप्टर देता है कि अगर हम में कुछ खामियां हैं, फॉल्ट्स हैं, फ्लॉज हैं regarding our physical appearance or any other thing, तो it hardly matters. We have to live with it. और उसको एक चैलेंज की तरह हमें मानना चाहिए, न कि उसको एक नकारात्मक या नेगेटिव पर्सपेक्टिव से सोचना चाहिए. अगर हम रिच नहीं है, इट हार्डली मैटर्स, वी कैन वर्क फॉर इट. अगर हम देखने में सुंदर नहीं है तो इट हार्डली मैटर्स बिकॉज योर इनर ब्यूटी शुड बी गुड. यू शुड बी ब्यूटिफुल इन योर हार्ट, नॉट बाय योर अपीयरेंस. सिमिलरली कपड़े अच्छे पहने हैं कि नहीं पहने हैं, इंग्लिश बोलनी आती है कि नहीं आती है, these are all superficial things. The thing which matters the most, that is the way you are, the person you are inwardly. आप इंसान कैसे हो. That has been very well portrayed कि अगर हम में कोई flaws हैं, we have to take it and we have to live with it with enough dignity and respect. No matter how much society puts you down, you have to be strong enough to face everyone. अब देखिए, जो इंसान मोटा है उसे सोसाइटी के लोग मोटा कहते हैं. A person if he is very thin and slim तो उसे कहा जाएगा कि तुम बहुत दुबले हो. अगर कोई बहुत लंबा टॉल हाइट का है तो उसे लंबू करके बुलाते हैं. सो कोई शॉर्ट हाइट का उसे नाटा कहेंगे. सो सोसाइटी विल कीप ऑन सेइंग, बट what we should do, we should take it as a challenge and live with dignity. हमारे में और अच्छी क्वालिटीज़ तो बहुत सारे होंगे ना. We have to keep those things in our mind and live with enough respect. So also if you want everyone else to love you, you have to start loving yourself first. This is a major fact. अगर आप चाहते हैं कि दूसरा सामने वाला इंसान आपको चाहे, आपको प्यार करे, आपको सराहे, एडमायर करे, you should first admire yourself. You should first respect yourself. If you do this to your own self, others will also definitely do. अगर आप अपने आप को ही respect नहीं दोगे, others will take you for granted. So this is the theme of the chapter and that has been very well portrayed by the author. I hope you have understood the theme of the chapter. Now coming to the competency based questions. मैंने आपको बोला था competency questions कौन से होते हैं, जो आपकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग को टेस्ट करती है, जो आपके एनालिटिकल रिसर्च स्किल को टेस्ट करती है, जो आपकी क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग को टेस्ट करती है, आपकी क्रिएटिविटी को टेस्ट करती है. सो ऑल दीज थिंग्स, द क्वेश्चन आस्क्ड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ सच थिंग्स आर कॉल्ड एज कॉम्पिटेंसी बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस. सो सीबीएसई की ये हाईली डिमांडेड क्वेश्चंस होती हैं जो क्वेश्चन पेपर में आपको ज़रूर मिलती है. एनसीईआरटी के क्वेश्चंस भी बहुत हद तक competency based questions ही हैं. There are certain other questions which I have made. You can just have a refer to it. लाइक MCQ क्वेश्चंस जो होते हैं ना, वो कॉम्पिटेंसी बेस्ड हो सकते हैं इस तरीके के. व्हाट वर डेरी एंड लैम्ब विक्टिम्स ऑफ? सो ऑप्शंस आर गिवन विद विजन इम्पेयरमेंट, physical impairment, then war, deaf and dumb. So your answer should be physical impairment. Next question, Mr. Lamb helped Derry. Why? There are different reasons given. First is because both were victims of war, both were sad, both were victims of physical impairment, and the last one is because he wanted Derry to change his view of life. The last one is correct. You may get confused with the C option, but D वाला option इस question के लिए correct है. Next question is, what unites Mr. Lamb and Derry? Their age, their views means sadness, their life stories, या their physical impairment. Again D option, physical impairment. Next question we have, Mr. Lamb keeps himself busy by reading books, by chatting with people, by pulling down the ripe crab apples of his garden. Yeah, all of these. Of course, all of these, because he does all these things. Next is, Derry went to Mr. Lamb's garden to what? To steal apples, to speak to Mr. Lamb, to help the old man, or to feel that place. Yes, the D option, to feel that place. Coming to the next analogy, this complete the following table, statement and reasoning wala question. इसमें they can give you a question like, Mr. Lamb keeps the door of his garden open. He himself has said that he wanted to welcome all the people around. So he loved talking with others. He loved mixing with others. He loved everything around him. So that is why he always used to keep the doors of his garden open, so that anybody can enter and spend some moment with him. Now the options given over here is to keep an eye over his garden, to be safe, to chat with the people who come there, to be more confident. Of course, the C option, to chat with people who come there. Next question is, the children call Mr. Lamb as Lammy Lamb because he stopped them from taking apples. He spoke rudely, they did not like him, and because of his tin leg. Yes, the last one, because of his tin leg. Question number 9. Why did Derry go to Mr. Lamb at the end? So the options are, because of his wish to live a free life, because he wanted apples, because he wanted to play in the garden, and none of the above. The first one is correct, because of his wish to live a free life. He knew that if he lives with Mr. Lamb, he would be having a free life. Next, 10th question is, Derry's mother stopped him to stay with Mr. Lamb. Why? Because as he was not well, because would scold him, because he talked too much, and the last option, she did not want him to stay with a stranger. This is the correct answer. There are certain short type 40 to 50 words wala question I have taken. The first one is, Mr. Lamb used his unique way to counsel Derry. How did Mr. Lamb help Derry? So unique way kya tha? He gave several examples to make him realize that whatever the physical disability he is having, that he should accept it and should not focus on the negativity of his life. He should consider that he has so many other good things, positive things, and always to put a positive approach towards everything. Why, even in spite of physical disability, Mr. Lamb did not feel lonely? Because he always was in search of people. He always used to mix with people. He always used to keep his doors open. He always used to keep himself busy. He used to read books. He used to pluck the apples, make jams and jellies. He also used to come out of the garden and mix with other people. He welcomed everyone. So apne aap ko, or besides that, he had a very positive perspective of life. So that is why he never felt lonely. Another question, Derry develops an inferiority complex. Justify the given statement with reference to the story. Yes, he develops an inferiority complex, but in the chapter it has been very well portrayed because his focus was always on what people were talking about him. इसी तरफ उसका ध्यान जाता था कि लोग उसके चेहरे को देख के क्या बोल रहे हैं, एंड दिस मेड हिम नेगेटिव ऑल द टाइम. The meeting with Mr. Lamb became a turning point for Derry. How? Because while talking to him, he understood the real essence of life. He realized that he should not take life for granted. He should not have a negative approach of his life. Instead, there are so many different various good things he has that he can consider and live a life freely without anybody's interference and without having any negative approach. So I hope आपको competency based वाले questions समझ में आ गए होंगे. इस chapter से इसी तरीके के questions आएंगे. I hope you have understood the chapter very well. That's all for today. Have a nice day. In the next videos, I will bring more chapters of class 12th. Till then, bye bye.